these steps to get a juicy chicken breast every time, and I'm working with a 10-ounce chicken breast. Right, first add some oil to the chicken breast. This makes the salt stick. Add a good pinch of salt, turn it all around, coat that chicken well with salt. Next, get your pan smoking, and I mean smoking, get it really hot. Then add some oil, add the chicken, and you want it to cook golden brown. Get that caramelization going. You want your chicken breast golden brown. Very important. Right, the next stage, this helps the chicken breast become extra juicy. And I'm gonna add stock just underneath. This prevents it from drying out. It helps it a lot. It stays nice and moist and juicy when cooked in the oven. Next, insert the probe to the thickest part of the breast, put it in the oven and cook it, very important, to 160 degrees, not 165, 160. So wait until it gets 160 and then take it out. Right, now this is the most important part. You want to let that chicken rest for a good 5 minutes until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. Let it rest for it's probably going to take around about 5 minutes. When it's 165, then you can cut it and serve it and eat it, and it's going to be beautiful, I promise you. And that is how you cook a juicy chicken breast.